Just concentrate on these values to have an idea of what's going at the back end. Inshallah, I will try to upload the Google Drive file of this project in the description if you are watching on YouTube or Facebook. And if you are watching on Instagram, then please go to my YouTube channel Physics Insight with Asghar and navigate to that video, this video, okay? And in the description of this video, you will find the link of the Google Drive. Kindly let me know your feedback in the comment section below because I did a lot of hard work to make it. Only a developer can understand how much hard work is behind this game